So what I did, I created the exact same video, the exact same thumbnail, the exact same title, and I said like, make $1,000 a day in Uniswap, sniping, liquidity, arbitrage, sandwich, quick money. Click here, watch this video. And and the video is like, you know, I use the clickbait. Until this day, this video got a lot of views and it still gets a lot of views. But instead of like scamming people, I'm just telling them, hey guys, it's me, Johnny. I have good and bad news for you. The bad news is that you're not going to make $1,000 a day. I'm sorry. And if someone promises that for you, then he's probably lying to you and gonna steal your money. And the good news is that watch this video till the end, because if you're gonna watch it, I just prevented you from losing your money. And in this video, I basically go and show how the scam works and how people lose a lot of money. And so many people just commented on this video, and a lot of them also reach out to me. Hey, I sent 1 ETH, I lost it. It's my life saving and I don't know what to do. Can I